Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. And as of right now, we're in Mount Gambier, taking some photo shoot with my partner and the cousin out here in the car park upstairs somewhere. I don't know what this is, but yeah, I hope you guys like the content for today. And I don't know what else to say.
I ask you about love, but they quote me a sonnet. You've never looked at a woman and been totally vulnerable. Oh my God, put an angel on earth just for you. Could rescue you from the depths of hell. And you wouldn't know what it's like to be her angel.
At the shopping mall right now. You know, surprisingly, here in Mount Gambier, there's a lot of things to buy actually. A lot of shops. So go check out Mount Gambier if you're coming here. So realize every Kmart looks the same, whether it's in Melbourne or Mount Gambier, they all look the same, bro. So this is the tripod that I bought in Kmart, 36 bucks, I believe. 30, I don't know. This actually doesn't come in with the tripod. It was from my previous tripod that I attached to it, which surprisingly worked very well for my phone especially. But this is all metal. This part right here, the stand, and it's just really nice, the feeling of it when you unclick this, right, to extend it. It feels so nice. It feels really premium, and only for 36 bucks, you know what I mean? And it's just nice. I'm really glad that I bought this. So this is gonna be a really useful tool for me to start recording more stuff. And yeah. Welcome to our next stop, and today we're in this lake, and I'll show you. We're going on a hike, going downhill from this lake, and hopefully we get some good shots to show you guys what it looks like in this location. So yeah, Hopefully we don't fall. And I heard there's a lot of snakes here, which is not very good with the people I'm with at the moment, as they are very scared of snakes and creatures, you know what I mean? But yeah, see you in a bit. When you move to or visit Mount Gambier, there's a place here that's like in the middle of nowhere, and there's a big ass hole, and I'll show you guys in a second. It's pretty cool.